Firefighters in Ontario, California descended on a massive blaze just after midnight on Tuesday, when a distribution center erupted in flames. Local reports described an orange glow as the 1.2 million square foot warehouse burned for hours in a location the size of 11 city blocks, with smoke and flames reportedly visible for miles. The site is owned and operated by supply chain management company NFI Industries, but the warehouse had been leased to CPG giant Kimberly-Clark. It was stocked with paper products like Kleenex, toilet paper, and diapers, ready fuel after the building became engulfed. Local law enforcement confirmed that the fire had been deemed suspicious due to its rapid spread and apparent evidence that suggested there may have been more than one point of origin. Following these theories, an individual was arrested on multiple felony charges, later identified as NFI Industries employee Chamel Abdulkarim, though no motive for the alleged arson has been shared. Kimberly-Clark issued a statement the day after the fire, reassuring stakeholders that it had activated a response team to manage the situation and minimize customer and consumer impact. Further, the company stressed that it had the appropriate insurance policies in place to address this type of scenario and that no manufacturing assets were impacted. And while the company did not provide details on the amount of inventory it had lost in the blaze, it did say that its supply chain network is designed for continuity during disruptions, and mitigating actions are already in motion. Kimberly-Clark said it would have another update when it releases its first quarter 2026 results on April 28th. While there were no reported injuries in the fire, the facility is considered inoperable at this time. I'm Anna Wells, and this is Manufacturing Now.